Welcome back, friends. In this video, we're going to learn how to take a video or the audio from a video and enhance the voice on that audio so that your audio is much clearer and free from static. So stay tuned. All right, so I have a video on my workspace. I'm using just a YouTube thumbnail just to kind of show you or demonstrate to you how we can enhance audio. And this video has audio that I added. Let's take a look and just to listen what that audio sounds like. Hello and welcome to our class this evening. We're going to be focusing on, so I'm not going to play it much longer, but that was just to demonstrate to you that there is a little bit of static in that audio. And so what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how you can enhance that audio. So if we just select that audio, on the top on the toolbar here, we're going to get an option to enhance voice. Now, before we go any further, I just want to ask that if you learned anything in this video, press that like button, subscribe, and turn that notification bell on. If you want to learn more about Canva, join my YouTube channel membership. I go live every single week to teach my adult learners what they want to know, so join. All right, so we've got our audio selected. I'm going to click Enhance Voice, and Canva is going to work its magic. Once it's done, you're going to get a pop-up up here that says that it has enhanced the audio and they can hear you loud and clear. So I'm going to take my little slider there and bring it all the way to the beginning. And let's hear what that audio sounds like with that enhanced voice. Hello and welcome to our class this evening. We're going to be focusing on some Canva apps tonight, and I hope that you do enjoy this. Now we can hear a little bit of that static still in the background, but it sounds pretty good. Overall, I'm really pleased with the Canva audio enhancer. I think it works really well. Now you're probably wondering, okay, what do I do with this once I'm done enhancing the audio? Well, that's really simple. What you can do is once you're happy with your video and your audio, basically your project, you're going to come right back up here to share, and you're going to download this as an MP4 video. So you are downloading your project so that you can upload it or share it during a presentation or what have you. At this moment, you cannot take that audio and just download the audio itself. Canva does not have that capability. And that is pretty much it on how to enhance audio using the Enhance Voice. That is a premium feature. And so I hope that you did enjoy this tutorial. If you did, press like, subscribe, and turn that notification bell on. All right. Bye-bye, guys.